This 5-minute solution will show you how to download Monopoly Go on Android and iOS device. Installing the Monopoly Go app is really very easy process. First of all, go to your Play Store, and if you're an iPhone user, then go to your App Store. Then tap on this search box and type here Monopoly Go, and this is the app we are going to install, Monopoly Go. So tap on this green install button to start downloading. And it may take some time to completely install the Monopoly Go app on your device. It depends on your internet speed. Once it's installed, tap on play to launch the Monopoly Go app. So that's how we can download and install Monopoly Go. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.